this is Saga from Creative Web. Today I will show you a super quick way to create a ghostly looking sky. Click on File, New and click Create. Drag all images into Photoshop. Select the sky image layer and drag it at the bottom and click other eye icons. Select the sky image layer, press Ctrl and T and adjust it to fit the canvas. Select the bird image layer, resize it with Ctrl and T to fit the composition. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, set the radius to 1 pixel and click OK. Select the man image layer, go to Select, Subject, then click Mask to remove the background. Click on Mask layer, then press B for brush. Change color to black and set hardness to 100% and remove unwanted parts. Make sure your opacity is at 100%. Select the man image layer again, press Ctrl T and resize it. We will merge all visible layers into a new one by pressing Shift, Ctrl, Alt and E. Now duplicate this new layer by pressing Ctrl and J. Change the blend mode to overlay. Select the smudge tool, press R key, strength 50 to 70%. Use a soft round brush. Size, well, you can start with 100-200 pixels and adjust as needed. Change the blend mode to overlay. Click and drag it in curvy wind-like motions. Avoid straight lines, think of ghostly wisp, twisting and turning. For some sharp streaks, lower the brush softness and increase strength to 80%. Create a new layer, Shift Ctrl N. If you clicked Smart Object to quickly rasterize it first. Use the soft brush B, pick white color to paint highlights over the tree, man's hat, hood and shoulder. Change this layer blends mode to overlay. Right-click on Highlights layer and select Convert to Smart Object for non-destructive editing. Apply Gaussian Blur, Filter Blur Gaussian Blur with radius of 5 pixels. Create a new layer, Shift-Ctrl-N, we'll fill it with blue, edit fill color, and set the blend mode to color at 30% opacity. Create another new layer, fill it with dark teal shade, and keep the blend mode at normal 25–30% opacity. Merge all visible layers again, Shift-Ctrl-Alt-E, right-click on the layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Lens Correction, Custom. Set amount to 87 and midpoint to 30. Open Camera Raw Filter, Filter Camera Raw Filter, and follow these steps to enhance the project further. Merge all visible layers again, Shift-Ctrl-Alt-E, select the Dodge and Burn tool, press O key. Set exposure to 50%, lightly dodge and burn the sky, tree and man. Now open curves, Ctrl M, and set up shadows, midtones, and set opacity to 23%. Press Ctrl N to create a new layer. We will fill it with 50% gray, edit fill 50% gray, change blend mode to overlay. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise, select Gaussian Amount 5, check Monochromatic. You now have a soft ghostly sky effect. Thanks for watching.